Crash courses. Today's crash course is on Stonehenge, an ancient World Heritage Site on the British Isles that was built by a lost civilization.
Actually, sir, many scientists believe it was a type of calendar.
No, pish-posh. Calendars are little things. They even fit in phones. No, it's obvious what they built this for.
Oh, boy.
Giant dominoes. Great Googa Mooga, that's it. I want to play dominoes with the giant stones at Stonehenge.
That's a horrible idea, sir.
It could be one of my worst. But first, some fast fun facts. Fact number 1. The first monument at Stonehenge was built about 5,000 years ago. It was a circle dug into the ground about 320 feet across. That's about the length of a football field. Fact number 2. Hundreds of similar ancient stone circles have been found throughout the British Isles. Fact number 3. Some of the stones weigh more than 45 tons, about the same as 15 adult African elephants, and they're more than 30 feet high. Okay, I'm at Stonehenge, and Sandra, I'm more confident than ever that this is indeed a giant domino set.
Luckily, there's no way you can push those stones over.
Oh, Sandra, I've got the strength of more than a dozen kittens. But today I brought a crane instead. Now let's see. This lever and the arm goes forward, and this one lowers it a little more, and perfect! Sandra, prepare to be amazed. Wrong lever!
Well, that went pretty well.
It went horribly, sir.